Thinking, what should we cook tonight?
Keep it fresh.
All veggie style though.
All veggies.
Okay. We gonna hold the meat.
Hey y'all, welcome to Hold the Meat.
Hold it, y'all. Just hold it.
We got another episode for you guys.
Yes, this is episode number 2.
Two.
What we making?
African stew.
African stew. It's real African stew.
Yes.
Real African spicy.
Yes. But no meat.
No.
So no, because they usually put like chicken and stuff. Sometimes some like
beef.
goat meat.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But this is
Straight veggies.
straight veggies, but you still get those same authentic spices.
Yes, so it's so flavorful and so good, and we cannot wait for you guys to come on over and come to the kitchen.
Yes, come. And hey, you want to know something? I gotta say something. You sit there and hold the meat, you're gonna lose some meat, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna lose it. So like all these recipes that we're doing, they're to help people like transition into a healthier lifestyle and hold the meat. You know what I'm saying? I know sometimes you be like, dang, I want that chicken, but there's so many things that go on with the chicken. What got me? I heard this lady speaking, right? She was like, you know, when we get burned, right?
Right.
And we get wilted, it blisters, and pus comes out, right? Imagine the chicken. You are cooking the chicken, right? And it's like, you know, has that crispy. That's the crisp.
Oh my God.
And then when it be the juicy, that is pus coming out of the chicken. I
Now
mean,
that just sounded so nasty.
and I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Listen, I ain't going back. I'm cool.
Never going back.
We ain't going back, y'all. But I feel like, you know, we got this 30-day challenge that we're thinking about doing. And the challenge is going to be holding meat for 30 days. Now, we done it before and shedding some pounds. I don't know why we didn't keep going, but that's a different story.
We was like, please. But we're not eating meat. Like,
We're not
red
overly,
meat.
it's
We're
not
not-
overly loaded.
Yeah.
It's not doing that, you know. But I think even if you don't do a full 30 days, I feel like you should do a week out of each month just to like flush your body out and let your body do like some digestion and things like that. So, and yeah. So we're gonna create more recipes for you guys, so that it'll be a little bit easier for you to do a little transition when you decide to.
Yeah.
And it'd be so good, y'all. It's
Ooh.
crazy. I never thought that I would go through life without meat and still be satisfied. It's amazing.
Hold the meat, y'all. Tap in. So she's again just a rough chop because all this stuff is going in the blender. So that mixture that you just cut down, you're going to put it in the blender. So saute the onions down until they get like that, not translucent. You don't want it all the way, but right before it's about to get translucent. So a little soft. You want the onions to be a little soft, and then you're gonna add in your paste. So you're gonna add in like a scoop. Start sealing the palm oil and the onions, and then the tomato paste is already gonna start giving off like an aroma. You kind of want to fry the onions. that color? Like, that's what you want. I already like that smell. Once this cooks down, we'll add our chickpeas. Now these, I just cut the potatoes in 4, and another kind of rough cut, but yeah, just cut the potatoes up. Some potatoes, some chickpeas, and some spinach. Yum, yum.
Yes.
Dear Lord, thank you for this food we're about to eat.
Amen.
Hold the meat.
Hold it up. Hold it up.
So, traditional style, you take the yam,
Mm-hmm.
you kind of toy with it in your hand,
Mm-hmm.
and you dip it.
Dippy dip.
Yeah. You swallow.
Hold the meat.
They call it swallow in Nigeria.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That's what we do.
Is it good? You like it or no?
They're gonna love this.
It's sour.
Mm.
I
Here
do
you
not.
go, napkin. Here go a potato. Mm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So the time that I went to Nigeria, I mean to Ghana, not Nigeria. Haven't been there yet. That's next on my list. All I ate was stew.
When I went to Nigeria, all I ate really was I ate some fufu,
Mm-hmm.
but I think I mostly ate fish, for sure.
Like they do the whole fish, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Mm.
I just love their flavor profiles. Like it's
Yeah, it's different because we've been eating the same thing for so long.
same thing. You come to
Right.
America, you be like, okay.
Y'all not tired of hot lemon pepper? Crossover. Hold the meat.
Hold the meat.
Take me back to the motherland.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
You know the restaurants in Ghana, they have like a whole separate. Now we have like a sink right there.
mm-hmm.
The restaurants that I went to, and they weren't bougie or nothing, but the restaurants that I went to, we sat in like it was like rooms with a big table like this,
Mm-hmm.
sink over there for you to wash your hands, but it's like in a room, like it's a restaurant.
Right.
But you're in a room with your party, and you got a sink to wash your hands before and after. At first, I was like, why
I like that.
do you guys have a sink? But then you think about it, you eating food
Yeah, you're using your hands
a lot.
a lot. I never seen no one use a utensil the whole time I was in Nigeria.
No, because they're like, all this stuff, I should just use my hands.
Mm-hmm.
Hence, they call it swallow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're definitely swallowing right now.
So you guys get the cookbook, tap in the link below.
Get the ingredients.
Get all the ingredients.
Recipes.
Yeah, because a lot of stuff I didn't show you. A lot of the stuff, a lot of the ingredients, you know, you gotta go to different places to get them.
Yeah.
Like, it's not just like, oh, let me go to the grocery store. Thanks, Boo.
You're welcome. And it's gonna be all in the description of the recipe
Yep.
because you gotta use some special spices and ingredients for this dish to get the flavor.
Yeah. This is on point.
Yeah, talking about 1 or 2 bites. Yeah.
Stay tuned, guys. Tap in next week for another recipe with Hold the Meat with Moe and E.
We're gonna be on episode 2. Come see us.
Hold the meat, fresh and tasty like the sweet. Hold the meat, cooking soulful, feel the heat.